In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Trello data. If you use Trello to manage your projects, you probably know how important it is to back up your data or analyze it outside of the platform. Whether you're on Trello's free plan or premium plan, exporting your board data is a straightforward process. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step so you can download your data in a format that works for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save your Trello boards securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access the Trello workspace where your boards are located. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board that you want to export. This is the board containing the data you wish to save. Next, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Show Menu. Click on that to expand the menu. From there, select the option that says More. Now, under the More section, you'll find an option called Print and Export. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, the export options will differ slightly depending on whether you're using Trello's free plan or premium plan. Let's start with the free plan. If you're on the free version of Trello, you'll see an option to export as JSON. Click on that. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a file format that stores data in a structured way, making it easy to use for developers or certain tools. After you click Export as JSON, a new page will open displaying the raw JSON data of your board. Now, you'll need to save this file. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Save As from the context menu. When naming the file, I recommend including the name of the Trello board along with today's date. This way, you can easily track the version of the data you've exported. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file, and then click Save, and that's it for exporting on the free plan. If you're using Trello's premium plan, the process is slightly different. Instead of JSON, you'll have the option to export your data as a CSV file. CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a widely used format for working with data in spreadsheet applications. To begin, click on Export as CSV. Trello will then generate the CSV file for you. Once the file is ready, it will prompt you to save it. Just like with the JSON file, choose a clear and descriptive name for the file, including the board name and today's date. Then save the CSV file to your computer. After you've saved your CSV file, you can open it in a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This will allow you to view and analyze your data in a more structured and user-friendly format. Finally, whether you've exported as JSON or CSV, make sure to store your files in a secure and organized location. This ensures your data is safe and easy to access whenever you need it. You might consider creating a dedicated folder for Trello backups on your computer or cloud storage. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to export your Trello data. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.